Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, new on my channel. Yeah, again, new video. We've got something new as well from a new company called Game of Bricks. This is an actual light company. They actually do light sets, as you know. With my city, I've been doing light sets and everything like that. This is a company that is based in Estonia. They get their sets sent from China though, so it's a European company, but obviously Chinese brand with bricks and lights and everything like that. On the back here has a little thing saying we are a business founded by founded by passionate Lego fans many years ago, calling you to light up your Lego world today. And you also have a picture of Batman there. Don't understand why it had Batman, but you know, saw this company on Facebook, or I can't remember whereabouts I saw. Got in touch with them, obviously, and sent them a bit of information of my channel, and they sent this out for me to review, which obviously I'm here right now doing. And as you can see, I've got the new Lego Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters as well. So there's kind of a hint on what this is going to be. Now, with this, there are two versions of the set. There's a standard radio control version, or there is a light and sound kit, which is the one that I've got for this. With every set you get a little radio control and a battery pack as well. Now, with the instructions are all online. You can go onto their website, onto their instruction website and everything like that, and you will be able to find whatever set you need the light kit for, and they will have them there. So obviously, with bag number 2, that is stage number 2. So we have in total of 7. In total of numbers, there are 8 bags, but I think there is about 10 or 11 bags in total that I had actually seen. I gave the instructions a quick look through. It's quite like what I've done before, just basically taking the pieces apart, putting the lights in, feeding them through, and then obviously plugging into the little expansion ports and other things like that. You also got like this little chipboard here that as you can see. So yeah, really looking forward to this. There's nothing much else I can say, apart from at the bottom here I've just found this user manual. So yeah, the type of components that they produce as well, so obviously it tells you the bits that they use, how you connect the cables up to the lights and everything like that. So okay then, without further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the video here. I'm going to get on, start taking the car apart, get these lights in, come back to you when it's all done and you can see it all lit up, and yeah, okay, bye bye. Okay guys, and now we're back, and obviously, well, you can't really see, but I've done the lights inside the whole set. This is the next day that I've actually done this now. Overall, this probably took me a good couple of hours, about 2 to 3 hours to actually put this together. There are a few confusing bits. I had to, obviously the reason why this is the next day as well is that I had to email Nikita, who's the owner, or I think she's the owner of Game of Bricks. It's that I had trouble pairing this up with the little Bluetooth chip thing, whatever you want to call it. But all this consists of is just a load of lights, You get a little battery pack, obviously, as you saw in the beginning of the video. 4 AAA batteries as well. So yeah, like all the lights are all in place. In the front here we have there's a connector board, extending chip, whatever you want to call it, and it adds all the lights into the front. There's 4 lights at the front for the fog lights, and then you've got the 2 here, and then the front lights as well. And you've got the blue light, the flashing lights all over the place. Then you've got these back lights, you've got the lights at the top, lights at the tail lights as well. And there's a light on the roof on the inside, and then underneath as well is the speaker and the Bluetooth chip. Now the only problem with the board, the speaker and the Bluetooth chip is because it's just held on by double-sided sticky tape, really, and every so often it will come off. So I've got to try and figure out something else. If someone else has actually done this and they've actually come up with some solution to obviously stop it from falling from where it is, then just drop a comment in the link or in the comments below, and obviously just let us know how you do it. But anyways, let's just get on to it. This is the remote. You've got different little numbers and everything for different sequences within. So to turn it on, obviously, as you can see, we've got the generic sound. Now with number 2, it is, I'll play a little bit, but it is a part of the music. I'm not going to play it all because obviously, just because of copyright. But I don't know whether I got this mixed up or not, but I've seen other people saying about that mode 1 is this sound, and then mode 3 is what I've got playing, there we go, which is this, but I've got it for mode 1 somehow, so I don't know whether I've just done it wrong, but as you can see, we have all the lights on as well. Oh, that light's come off. So, and then it just reverts back to the sirens and everything like that. So number 1 is obviously starting the engine as well. Number 2, putting the horns on. Number 3 is the indicators. It doesn't really indicate much at all. There's no really sudden movements on the indicators. And then we've got the sirens as well for number 4. Number 5 is obviously the generic Ecto sound. Number 6, I think that's just, oh, there we go. Number 6 is that. Number 7 is just that. And then number 8 is that sound as well. So so you've got a mixed variety of sounds and everything like that. But yeah, this is pretty much the whole lot. I mean, the only place there is one place that you can only have the battery pack, and that's in the side here with the jump seat as well. It's just slide it into there, and obviously as you can see there's the light there as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All in all, this is a really great light set. I highly recommend these light sets as well. If you want to obviously know where I got this from, I'll leave a link in the description directing to the actual store, and I'll put another link as well just specifically for this light set as well. Now each month I will be getting like between 1 and 2 sets. I do have another couple of sets that I need to do as well, but obviously they'll be in the next videos coming up. So yeah, until then, if you like this video, then leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, then click the button below, click the notification. You'll be notified when I post a new video up, obviously with these, the city, and some other bits on my YouTube channel as well. But yeah, until then, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.